Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning of new class, and again I'm here for class 10th chapter 1, A Triumph of Surgery from Footprints Without Feet, and it's written by James Herriot. So now about the author James Alfred Ray, known by the pen name James Herriot. He was a British veterinary surgeon and writer who used his many years of experience as veterinary surgeon. Now the introduction of the lesson. Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by the mistress, and he falls seriously ill, and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? So now let's go through this summary. This story is about Tricky, a dog who is the pet of a rich lady named Mrs. Pumphrey. She loves her dog very much and is unable to refuse him anything he wants. Tricky is fond of eating creams, cakes, chocolates. So one day when Mrs. Pumphrey is out with Tricky for a walk, the narrator sees them and stops to talk. So while talking to Mrs. Pumphrey, he realizes that she has been overfeeding Tricky and also had been giving him things that he shouldn't eat, due to which Tricky had started looking like a blotted sausage. Soon, Tricky got unwell and Mrs. Pumphrey has to call Mr. Herriot, and that is himself a narrator, for help. She does not want to send him away, but the only way suggested by Mr. Herriot is to get him hospitalized for 15 days. Then the story unfolds into how he gets well. So read the descriptions to know more. Now here the story in brief is, the story starts with Miss Pumphrey, a rich lady, takes a dog out for a walk, and nearby he comes to see that his dog has become a little unhealthy, and but Miss Pumphrey is not refused to him. And soon he fell sick, and she went to the doctor, that is Mr. Herriot, and somehow he was taken to the hospital, and she was ready to leave her dog and nearly fainted just by hearing his words. Then he takes the dog along and put a bed for him in the surgery. So the dog does not move much more, eats anything for the first 2 days. On second day, he looks around and whimpers a bit. He wants to go out on the third day and started playing with the bigger dogs when he was taken out. He also licked the ball of the other dogs, and on the third day, his condition started improving very fast. He started fighting with his meals for other dog. Then when this new race, Miss Pumphrey, she started sending him eggs and all the things, whatever he needed. Mr. Herriot and his partner started eating those eggs for morning breakfast. Then, for improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine, which was again consumed by Mr. Herriot. He used to take 2 glasses before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. Then, when she started sending bottles of brandy, Tricky was that time when Mr. Herriot thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the surgery. Mr. Herriot used to be really happy someday by having 2 extracts every morning, then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon, and closing the day by having a brandy. And then Mr. Pumphrey really worried on his dog, and just she wanted to take him back. Tricky was really happy to see Mistress and jumped into the car. Miss Pumphrey said that she won't be able to ever thank for what he had done, and also that surgery had been successful as Tricky was now cured. Tricky was a small dog and was excessively, that is his character, that is Tricky, that he was loved by his mistress and he liked food, all that. So here is some images of dull and lazy dog, how he has become. And then he was taken to the veterinary clinic, that is a doctor, and this perfect character is being mentioned here. And students, here some short questions, answers are given. Just go through that, and after that some self-assessment questions are there. Just write it in your class copy. And thank you and have a nice day, students.